Into the World of Chemistry Lesson 9, the use of alcohol lamps. So today we're going to learn all about alcohol lamps, what to do, what not to do, how to use them, all that stuff. So the first thing is that we need to check if the bottle is cracked when using an alcohol lamp. And if it is cracked, then we need to get a replacement immediately. And we need to check if the wick is burnt. And if it is burnt, then we need to cut out that part of the burnt wick. And the second thing is that if there's little to no alcohol inside and it's not working, then we need to put new alcohol inside it. And when we do that, we have to make sure that it's not too much or too little, and it has to be in between 1/4 to 2/3 of the way of the bottle. And then the third thing is that to light it up. We can't use another already lit up alcohol lamp to light up the new one, so that won't work. We usually use like matches or just like lighters, I guess. The fourth thing we need to know is that when heating it, we use the outermost flame, which is it has the most temperature, is the hottest, and is the most effective. And then we have, so when heating liquids, we have to make sure that whatever container that is storing the liquid, the outside of it is completely dry, or else it will ruin the whole entire result. And then we have to make sure that the liquid is 1/3 or like is below 1/3 of the test tube that is stored in. And then the third thing is that when we had to use test tube clamps or an iron stand to put the test tube on there. We can't just use our bare hands, or else our hands is gonna burn, and that's not good. And then fourth thing is that when preheating it, we have to make sure that we preheat first, so to make sure that the heat spreads evenly. And then the fifth thing is that don't ever put the opening of the test tube in front of or like in the direction of other people or yourself, or else just in case of an accident, the opening will like explode, or the toxic chemical products will explode, and it might splash onto your face or other people's face or anywhere around that, and that is super not good, so never do that. And when we're heating a solid, it's all the same things that we need to know as what I said for the liquid, except for one thing, which is the angle of the test tube. So for the liquid, it has to be about like a 45-degree angle, but for the solid, it has to be a little bit tilted downwards to make sure that if it's heating and then there's like little like liquid water droplets, and then it won't like cause an explosion. So when it's a little bit facing down, then it won't cause that. So thank you so much for watching this video and discovering things about the alcohol lamp with me, and see you in the next video.